Hello, my dear followers. Would you like a fresh and steaming vegetable kebab? Super delicious with its dip sauce, lots of vegetables and meat. Here, come on, and let's prepare this delicious flavor together. Dear followers, for our vegetable kebab, I'll chop 2 onions. I'll chop the onions in the size I usually do for a regular dish, but I'll take the lamb meat in the pot first. How much have we got? We got 300 grams of lamb, 3 bay leaves and onions. We're gonna roast the lamb meat. Please follow the video until the end so you don't miss any steps. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We recite Basmala and start preparing the dish with good prayers. I take the meat into the pot. We're gonna make a great kebab with meat and lots of vegetables. I chopped 2 onions and 3 cloves of garlic. My dear followers, do you hear the meat sizzling? They started roasting, getting super crispy. It also gives a good flavor. Now I take 3 bay leaves, 2 onions, 3 cloves of garlic into the pot with love. They are roasting together. Be careful here. The order of the ingredients matter. While these are roasting, I quickly peel 2 carrots and cut them into small cubes. We'll have chopped potatoes, carrots, peppers, and tomato sauce. It's going to be so delicious. Dear followers, now it's time for the tomato paste. I roasted 2 carrots together with onion, garlic, and bay leaves. I get some mixed tomato paste consisting of tomato and pepper paste, or you can prefer to use just one of them if you like. That's up to you. Now, we continue with all the other details. We put 2 spoons of mixed paste. After 2 carrots, we add 1 coffee spoon of red pepper flakes and 1 teaspoon of red pepper powder, then a teacup of tomato sauce. I'm using the tomato sauce I prepared in tomato season. And let's mix it all now. This is how we're supposed to prepare the sauce for this recipe. Here I'm adding a coffee spoon of flour too. Why do we add flour though? We have some followers wondering why we added flour. If you add flour as a thickener, it will turn into a sauce, dear followers. We should hurry up. We try to keep our videos shorter upon your request. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We give our love to the meal we're preparing. Potatoes, tomatoes, peppers, and peas are yet to come. Please stay tuned and follow to the end. Dear followers, lamb meat's been boiling for half an hour together with carrots and bay leaves. They look great. Just check this out. Subhanallah, it looks super delicious. Now, here comes the rest of the ingredients. I'm adding 2 big potatoes here, then 1 red pepper and 1 green pepper. You can increase the number of peppers if you want. Tomato sauce, and I put tomato and pepper paste before. Okay, I'm adding crystal salt here. Dear followers, try using crystal salt instead of sea salt if you have the chance. Well, our vegetable kebab looks very colorful together with bay leaves, carrots, and potatoes. Also remember we added a little flour to thicken it. I'll add the peas in the last 10 minutes because they are canned peas. Well, if I was using raw peas instead of canned, then I would have added them together with the carrots. I close the lid and it cooks with love. Here comes a delicious recipes in a short time. It's for you from Chef Oktay. Well, my dear followers, now the potatoes and peppers in the pot have also cooked. You see? Check this out. The color is absolutely amazing and it looks super delicious. So, we prepared a kebab with plenty of vegetables. The amount of meat is few, but it's got plenty of vegetables. Now I'm adding a can of peas. We added salt, water, and everything, and we got a thick sauce. It's gonna boil on low heat for 10 minutes. Then it'll be time to serve. It'll be all ready to serve in about 45 to 50 minutes. The lamb meat should be chopped in small-sized cubes. Will you cook nice and tasty, my dear kebab? Our loved ones are waiting for a delicious meal at the dinner table. It's coming. Don't worry. It's almost ready, my dears. I'll be right back. I'll be right back. We're filling the kebab now, dear followers. They are insisting on having the kebab on their plates already. You know how they hit the spoons on the table and make noise to see if it's cooked yet? That's exactly what they're doing right now. Okay? Okay? Calm down. They made me panic. Anyway, let's pick up the lid. The vegetable kebab is cooked with love and it's ready to get served. There are plenty of vegetables in it, dear followers. Let's serve it now. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Look at this beauty, y'all. We prepared a kebab with lots of vegetables and sauce at the same time. I hope you enjoy your meal together with your beloved ones. You can increase the amount of meat if you like. I prepared it with 300 grams of meat. If you want, you can take it up to half a kilogram or 1 kilogram. They are complaining. They say they can't see the kebab clearly, so I should pick it up higher. There you go. Can you see it now? I try to share recipes as much as I can for you, my followers. Thank you very much for subscribing and supporting my channel. May Allah be pleased with you all. Stay healthy. Goodbye. See you the next time.